Hey guys, the day's finally here. It's a fall thing. This collaboration is hosted by Ms Cheryl, and her channel name is Ms Cheryl's Place, as well as myself, and my channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee. So I have my DIY ready for you guys, and the playlist is linked below. You can add your videos. If you have any issues, just comment and I'll be happy to add for you. Thank you to everyone who's participated, and thanks to everyone who's watching today. So let's get right to mine. So I'm going to start out with this Beware sign that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'll remove the hanging ribbon from it, and I will be using the back of it. I'm going to paint it with a chalk paint that's called Pumpkin, and then I'll just show you what else I do to it. And I'll be using this little pumpkin decor piece from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it the front, just an antique white, and then I'm going to go in with some gel stain just to add some dimension and paint the base of it. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to be attaching it to this board using some Gorilla Wood glue as well as hot glue. Now once everything is dry, I'm going to be using just the wood looking letters, and I'm going to spell out "It's a Fall Thing," and then I'll decorate. There was a little trial and error of placing the letters on. I didn't have enough room, so I had to switch it up. And now I'll secure those with a layer of Mod Podge, and then we'll decorate the sign. I'll just use some hot glue to attach this wooden leaf. It's one of the leaves that come in the 5-pack from Dollar Tree. Then I'll add some Spanish moss to the pumpkin and some florals, a piece of jute at the top to make a hanger, and some burlap flowers. I have added that twine at the top to make a hanger, and now these little burlap flowers I believe I picked up at Hobby Lobby on clearance quite a while back, and I'll just add 3 of those to the top and then I will display it for you. Now here it is on my front door. The colors kind of clash, so I will show it to you inside on the white door. But I think it turned out really cute. Thank you guys for participating in this collab hosted by myself and Ms Cheryl. We really appreciate you participating and can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So here it is inside, and I think it looks much better on the white door. But I hope you enjoyed the DIY today. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you to everyone who participated. And thanks Ms Cheryl for hosting this collab with me today. I will see you in my next video.